Good morning, sunshine. Stella, I lost the house. What? Oh, Stella, you got to run off and have your own life, and I had to stay and take care of the house.
I'm just gonna get comfortable. Alright, see you guys later.
That's Stanley. Stanley left Belle Reeve because my sister's an idiotic has-been. Would be nice to her. Call her pretty, please.
But what about the Napoleonic Code? What's yours is mine. Well, what about all this symbolic clothing, representing the Southern way of life, and in fact, the way Atlanta used to be?
No!
Napoleonic Code. My wife's pregnant.
We're playing poker, and my mother is sick.
Stop it!
Turn that off.
Hang this up for me.
As you wish.
What are you doing to my radio?
Stanley?
Stella! Stella! Stella!
Stella, don't go. He's crazy. I have to. Darling sister, you are crazy for marrying him. I don't care. I'm going to call Shap to get us out of this horrible situation. Don't do that. I quite like it here. Stanley is quite attractive. What you're talking about is brutal desire. Just desire. Like the streetcar. Have you ridden in the streetcar? That's what got me here. May I speak plainly? Sure. Your husband is a beast, and not in a good way.
You're a whore and I know it.
Distraction, distraction.
Here's your drink, man.
Neil? Oh, always. Yep.
Have a drink. Take off your shirt.
I swear. But to make up for it, I work out. Want to punch my rock hard abs?
Oh my. What does Stanley say about me?
Not much. My mother is sick. She wants me to get married before I die.
I saw my gay lover commit suicide because of me.
Your sister's a whore and I have proof. She got kicked out of Laurel because she was crazy. She even had an affair.
What?
With a 17-year-old boy whose parents got mad.
Makeup's coming over.
Not no more, after I told him. Here's your sister's bus ticket to leave Tuesday.
Jerk. Here's a story. A parrot is taught swear words, and then a preacher comes over and the parrot says a swear word right in front of him. Stanley, go wash up.
No!
You told Mitch about me.
Don't worry, baby. Once your sister's gone, we'll be all happy. All those colored lights.
You're a Polak.
I'm a Pole. Here's your bus ticket.
Stanley, take me to the hospital. Hello, you dumb angel puss. Have some liqueur.
I've never seen your face in life. You're not so ugly, but you're horribly insane. And you're a whore.
It was called the tarantula's arms where I brought my prey.
You lied to me!
I didn't lie in my heart. How creepily apropos. What do you want?
What I've been missing all summer.
Marry me.
No, you're not clean enough to take home to my mother.
Go away before I yell fire.
Baby's not born yet.
Why are you all dressed up?
I got a telegram from my imaginary suitor inviting me to the Caribbean.
Look at my good news pajamas.
Mitch said he would marry me.
No, he didn't. Your telegram isn't real. It isn't a damn thing but conceit, lies, and tricks. What'd you do that for?
It's like you twisted in your face.
Tiger, drop that bottle top. Drop it!
We're playing poker.
Has Shep Huntley called? I'm not sure. How weird. Are these grapes washed? I'd simply die from eating an unwashed grape.
Why, hello, Blanche.
I'd always depended on the kindness of strangers.
Here's your lantern.
One. It's your thing.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Those are you,
Something
cuz.
involves you and me and John has to go home soon.
Hi, guys.
But then we should go at least till the pause.
This is
Like we
behind
should
the
start
scenes.
the spot at the pause.